Today's video is going to be me packing mine and Matt's beach bag. Yesterday's video, if you missed it, was the video on doing the kids' beach bag. And all of the packing videos will be moved to our packing playlist. If anybody wants to, leave in the comments below. I could always group our packing videos by trips that we're going on instead of just putting them all into one dump playlist. So let me know about that. But let's get back to the video that we're doing today. Okay, so this is a mesh bag that, and I know it looks small, but it's crocheted. I made this for whenever we go to farmer's market, and it works really well as a beach bag because there's a hole in the bottom and the sides are mesh. And you'd think, you know, yarn would hold sand a lot, but actually if you shake it out really well, the sand just kind of falls out of it because of the type of yarn that I used for this. And it's actually very, very stretchy too. So as long as I roll up the towels, it'll fit in there. So this is the first aid kit, and it has everything that we would need for immediate emergency: band-aids, gauze, triple antibiotic, alcohol wipes. It has Tums, it has adult and children's Tylenol and Benadryl. And I think the only thing it doesn't have is like hydrocortisone cream, but that's something that we can run out and get. It has like oral Benadryl for emergencies, but it has medicine and it also has first aid essentials in it. This is Matt's Castaway Key hat that he bought on Castaway Key. And it's super cool because I think like the inside of it is adjustable, or no, that's his other hat, but the strap is adjustable, but it's mesh on it. He really, really likes it. So we're going to take that for him. And then there's his swimwear, which I will probably put into Ziplocs. And then so that, you know, on the way back we can put them back into Ziplocs. And then this is his towel from Disney Cruise Line. This is my towel from Castaway Key. If you haven't seen our video of our souvenirs from Castaway Key and Disney Cruise Line, I will link that right here. And then also in here is going to be going my swimwear. And then normally I would not carry aloe, but it just worked better for packing purposes because we're trying to condense down as much as possible. I went ahead and put the aloe in with 3 bottles of SPF 50. I'm actually trying to switch more from the spray-on sunblock because it just becomes more of a problem. So I'm switching back to the bottles for right now. And then I love the, let me turn it so you can see it. I've been switching to the Neutrogena as well. It's become my preferred one. But this is the Neutrogena Wet Skin Beach and Pool. We only use the sticks for faces. We started doing that after one of my kids accidentally got sunblock in their eye one time on the way to Dollywood. So we switched to just sticks for the faces. And then, I don't know if we'll need it or not, but I went ahead and put some bug spray in here because we'll also be going and walking around Mackinac Island before we go to the beach somewhere up there. And I'm not 100% sure where we're going yet. I just know we're going because I've never been to Mackinac Island. I'm leaving that up to my mother-in-law, who's a native from up there. But this is it for our bag. Let me, this is everything laid out, and then let me show you what it looks like when we get everything put into the bag and with mine and his clothes put in Ziplocs. So here's what our beach bag looks like with everything packed into it. Like I said, this is mesh, so it's stretched very well. It's a little bit heavier than I normally prefer for it to be, but I mean, once we change into swim clothes, it'll be lighter, and we'll probably be wearing beach towels back, so it's no problem. And I also kind of foresee us probably not swimming on Mackinac Island itself, probably swimming on Mackinac City at the beach there. So I don't know, we may end up carrying it all day, we might not, but I think it'll still be fine. And then his hat right here, we'll just pack into the suitcase with his clothes for that day when we leave that morning, because we'll be leaving from Lansing the morning that we go to Mackinac. But that is it for this video. In the comments below, how would you pack or what do you put in your beach bag for just you? Not like for the kids, but just for mom or for just dad. Is there anything else that you would pack? Normally I don't pack like stuff for just me because our kids are still like in the learning-ish stage of swimming. So I'm really conscious of like not packing something for me to do so that I can keep an eye on them in the water. But I know that's one thing that a lot of people do. So do you do that? Do you not? What do you put in yours? Because I really like to get ideas from other people. So Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and don't forget to ring that bell below, and we will see you next time.